how to buy Trump token. So as you can see here, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. As you can see, this tweet it's from the Donald J. Trump official account on X account. So as you can see, this token is just launched by Donald J. Trump. So to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here on the official website. So after you click on their official website, as you can see, click on buy now. Now what you need to do here, click on buy now, or you can copy the token address. So click on buy now, and you will be redirected to Moonshoot. So as you can see, you need to have the app. So if you don't have an app, just go back and you will be here to see this token address or the contract address. Just copy the address, open your wallet for that, and as you can see, this token address it's under the Solana network, as you can see here. Now open your Phantom wallet for that. So first of all, log into your accounts. What you need to do here, just click on swap here. As you can see, make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet and click here and pick the token address. As you can see, now click on it. Just type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So after that, select the provider, for example, the Meteora or the OKX or Jupiter, for example, Jupiter. But make sure to read all of that information here, and after that, click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issue, just go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip hash. After that, go to Jupiter provider page, and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Trump token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.